Good morning, my dear thinkers. Today, in daily reflection, we are going to think about vote for optimism. Young generation is in doldrums, for it has become difficult for them to recognize the real truth. They are confronting the daunting challenge of filtering the effect of who is right and who is wrong. Falsification has been tactfully vaccinated in the social structure of our country. Even educated mind is victim of white lies. Though in minority, one school of thought is fairly optimistic. It shows rosy path of hope. Its faith for a bright future of Pakistan is quite strong. It always sees the silver lining in the dark clouds. The advocates of this group mostly distribute dreams to the masses. They foresee the potential in the budding generations, which can be translated into miracles if certain necessary conditions are met timely. To them, mature leadership can turn the table to progress and prosperity. They include bluish and greenish classes of optimists. The former believes in fortune without any justification, while the latter optimizes the scenario with sound arguments. They beautifully extract positive tips even from negative settings. They visualize the situation from the lens of humanity and spirituality. This vision carries the spark of intellectualism. The contrary school of thought stands for pessimism. It is representing a majority chunk of people in all fields of life who have become hopeless from all corners. They always see black dots as misfortune in the huge white board of good fortune. Actually, their grooming has been made in this fashion under the supervision of those who have often been distributing disappointment rather than dreams. They have been brainwashed through various cultural and media weapons. They include blackish and whitish pessimists. The former are nothing but sadists who always extract negativity even from positive scenarios, while the latter are doing so to give caution to the nation for selecting a right path. One follows the route of misery while the other is advocating care and concern in various realms of life. The realistic solution of our problem lies in understanding the rational voices of greenish optimists and whitest pessimists. The former shows light at the end of the tunnel, while the latter hints hurdle in the way. Intellectual filter needs to be operated by carefully analyzing the optimistic notes of logical nature and pessimistic codes of precautionary nature. The best thing is to identify the difference between hype creators and dream distributors. One simple lesson of history is that nations are built with dreams and hopes. There is no nation in the map of the world that has been created with cries of blackish pessimists. Greenish optimism calls for good human actions, while blackish pessimism stimulates odd reactions. If we really want to shower positivity and generate energy for the young generation, guide them good actions rather than bad reactions. When nations are directed to the trajectory of blackish pessimism, their energy and time is lost in the useless pursuits. By distributing worries, we have already created so much frustration and so heavy a loss to the nation. Now let us distribute lovely and lively dreams to the budding generations so that they could utilize their full potential in the right direction for right purpose, and thus create miracles in multidimensional domains of their life. Let us vote for optimism to resolve all pangs and puzzles of social, economic, and religious life. Goodbye.